Haven't you ever wished that you could easily resolve an error message in your production line at a touch of a button? Or would you like to know how you can operate your system even more efficiently in the long term? Then our secure expert support is the right solution for you. As experts in innovative joining technologies, we know exactly how you can get the most out of our systems. All you have to do is give us access to your data or the system control via the internet. Wait a minute, that would be a disaster regarding security requirements. What if cybercriminals steal the data? No way. We understand that. After all, we know how important your IT and data security is. This is why we have developed a security concept together with experienced software experts that meets even higher standards than online banking. With our software, unauthorized parties do not have access, and you always remain master of your data on your systems. This is how it works. A shift supervisor receives a warning signal on his smartphone. He checks the warning on the system, but does not immediately know what to do. With one click, he sends a ticket with all system data, the problem description, and the log data to our experts. The expert, in turn, can of course only see what you have cleared before. Now, he can analyze the problem based on the ticket and the log file sent with it. He will return the solution to you shortly. Should remote maintenance be necessary, our expert must first authenticate himself before he can connect to your system. The system only grants connection permission if the certificate is trustworthy. However, we check both sides, the server certificate and the customer certificate. Unlike with VPN connections, we only open a single port. For this purpose, your system establishes an outgoing SSL encrypted connection, an outbound connection, so to speak. Therefore, the installation of our software does not require any changes to your firewall or security-relevant systems. If the connection permission is granted, our service technician must log in with his name and password. Unauthorized access attempts are recorded in a blacklist. With predefined roles and authorizations, you can determine which access rights our expert will have. You and your shift supervisor can see everything our service technician does via the screen. You also get a seamless log file with all activities. As you can see, we've done a lot for your safety. But we've even gone one step further. We also had our software solution officially tested by the German Technical Security Association, TÜV. They awarded our solution the Trusted Product Test Seal. We can support you not only with troubleshooting, but also with predictive maintenance or overall system efficiency optimization. This is what we call data-driven services.